let me just ask you one related question, though, to the Vibe issue.
Yeah.
Which is that, we had Jamie here yesterday. We had David Solomon here yesterday. There are now activist shareholders who are taking on these companies over their ESG policies. Others have taken on. There are folks who have gone to court, American Airlines, over using firms like a BlackRock, who are looking at certain metrics like ESG or other things.
But in that case, we weren't.
But
I mean, I don't want to go into the case, but that's not even a fact.
But I guess my bigger question is, what should companies do as it relates to these things?
And I'm sure both of those CEOs said it. You got to stand by your clients every day. You got to be authentic every day. You got to be doing the right thing on behalf of your clients every day. And that's it. And you have to, there are fringes on all sides.
Right.
But you have to stay true to your convictions, true to your clients. I mean, despite all that noise, we talked about it last week, where we raised $641 billion on behalf of clients. No firm has ever raised anything close to that, of which 300 something of the $1 billion was from the United States. So yes, I am being attacked from the left and the right. At times, it's actually being diminished because we're listening to our clients. We're doing the right thing. But I do believe what you're raising is something what I hope the Trump administration does with the SEC.
Which is?
Under Gary Gensler's SEC, they made it much easier for proxy, votes. I mean, so there are so many proxy from the far left and the far right.
Right. There's folks coming out.
I was talking to a CEO of another company, very large. I think this CEO was on your show in the last 2 days. He has 14 proxy inclusions. And he said half of them are from the far left and half of them are from the far right, and they actually are against each other.
Right.
And he said if we could net them, we had none.
Right. So you got to figure out how to change that dynamic.
I think we have to review what is the role of a proxy vote.
Right.
And it's too vast today, and it's the amount of money we're spending, legal and all that stuff. And I'm talking across the board. I mean, every CEO is complaining right now that it's just like an open warfare, and we need to find ways to minimize that. And it's just not the banks or the asset managers who get it. We're talking about real companies, really strong consumer brands that are getting the same type of attacks.
Are you planning on issuing any either meme coin, ETFs, or anything like that now that the animal spirits seem to be very much alive?
I think the Sorkin coin should.
Sorkin coin. We got to do a squat coin. We've talked, Becky and I, we've talked about a squat coin.
Yeah.
I don't know. Are you fascinated by this, by the way? Just the whole phenomenon?
No, I'm not.
You're not.
As a huge believer of crypto and blockchain and tokenization, I want the SEC to rapidly approve the tokenization of bonds and stocks. That will simplify things, make things easier. Some of the tax on BlackRock would never have to vote on a proxy vote anymore because every owner of record would be notified through a tokenization of equities. And it would save more money for more people. It would bring down the cost of ownership of stock and bonds. So those are the type of financial reforms we need.
Right.